So, good evening, everyone, dear Foxian. It gives me immense joy to welcome you all to Gyan Prava, a 345th episode today, a visionary initiative by none other than our President Foxy, Dr. Sunita Tandurwadkar. I am Dr. Sejal Nayak, Chairperson Endoscopy Committee. Welcome you all. And it has been my privilege to host this extraordinary this podcast, like because it's going to be my final podcast of the year under the visionary leadership of Dr. Tandur Warkar, who has joined these extraordinary minds continue to shape the future of women's health. With every episode of Gyana Prava that brings us closer to an achiever, a thought leader, or a legend, together creating a living library of motivation, inspiration, hope, and faith. Its remarkable and unbroken series has truly become treasure for every gynecologist seeing purpose, direction, and strength. It is 345th today, and soon we are reaching near to the end of an year. And I am super excited today as our guest is the soul of the Jnanaprava, Dr. Sunita Tandurwarkar herself. Madam is women for without limitations. Simply, no words doesn't exist in her dictionary. She is master of her craft and a living example that excels knows no gender as well. A devoted daughter who sparkled a revolution in regenerative medicine driven by her love for her mother. She went on to transform lives through stem cell therapy, bringing hope and improved quality of life to countless patients suffering from otherwise debilitating conditions. She is a remarkable wife who values family with the same commitment she gives to her profession, and an extraordinary mother, raising young, successful entrepreneurs, Dr. Rishi and daughter in law, Dr. Lekha, whose humility and values speak volumes about her nurturing and guidance. As a clinician, she is unparalleled, excelling laparoscopic surgeon, infertility, IVF, stem cell therapy, regenerative medicine, robotics, high-risk obstetric, and whatnot. As a mentor, she is a truly parasmani. Everything she touches turns into gold. Teaching is her passion, mentoring is her instinct, and empowering other is her legacy. Above all, she is a compassionate healer, a caregiver not just to her patients but to everyone who comes into her orbit. This is uh, there is no human quality there in any dictionary which she doesn't carry. So today we will meet our Foxy president whose impact goes far beyond titles because she gives her extraordinary efforts to beyond the limits to make these dreams into reality. So today's podcast would be on beyond titles, beyond the limits. With deep respect, admiration, and gratitude, I now invite my mentor, my inspiration, and guiding force behind this extraordinary journey, Dr. Sunita Tandurwarkar, to address us. Welcome,
Thank you,
madam.
Sejal. Thank you. Thank you, Sejal. And I think there is no need of a podcast. You will never stop talking if you start talking about me. Is my internet stable or it's giving me little unstable this? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am, better. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. So let's start, Sejal. I think, always you, Pooja, you people talk about also look forward the students like you.
Ma'am, thank you that have given us the final finishing and this whatever we have achieved just because of your continuous guidance and motivation, ma'am.
Thank you, Bacha. Thank you for your tremendous love. I think every year, even if I get out of all students, one student like you, Pooja, Rashmika, Vatsala, I'm done and sorted in my life. By the time I'll die, I'll have 100 more daughters.
Oh, ma'am, so, ma'am, today we are
Please
not
start.
going to discuss about anything being a Foxy president. We'll discuss something that is people they don't know about you. So, being a doctor is your childhood dream or a mature decision?
It was not my childhood dream, Sejal. Frankly speaking, I am born and brought up in Marwadi family. Marwaris are known for festival and celebrations. I was with the combined family of uncles and aunts, three uncles and three aunts. You imagine the combined family. And I was just thinking of celebration of a life with all of them. Never, never. I love friends from the beginning. And all my school friends on 10th standard, we decided that we all are going to the college together and we'll have a gala time in a college. Nothing beyond it at all. It is in 10th standard. I stood first in the board exam, and that time the things were very different. I'm from Sholapur. So that only three medical colleges were there. And Sunday evening, I came home from movie. We all friends were thinking tomorrow is the result. Let's enjoy today. Evening 5:30 or 6 o'clock, I came home. See, we were all 12 to 3 movie, having nice hotel mein khana pina. And these three principals were at home. My father introduced, and first is they all congratulated and the celebration was going on because you get the result previous evening if you have done something extraordinary. And they all three were to take a admission in their 11th and 12th science. So I told my father, there's no question about science. I'm the going to arts. I'm going to enjoy my life. So my father, who is MCOM BA LLBs of 1930, sat with me and he told me how to stop. I don't know. I'm very sorry for this. Uh, I just switch off. I am in a podcast. I can't talk. Please stop calling. I don't know also how to put it on airport mode. I'm very sorry. But anyway, so they said I need to go in science. So my father sat with me. He said it's a time to become little serious about your future and you are going to take a science and you decide which college. And obviously I chose one college which was famous for the uh, whole science and I joined. That time, no government colleges, uh, no private medical colleges. In Sholapur, there was no engineering college. So 11th and 12th होने के बाद the only option I had is to join the medical college. Obviously, by my nature, competitive, always want to be first. In 12th standard, we got very easy entry into medical college. Frankly speaking, batao, when we went into first standard MBBS, our entire 12th standard, 50% of the student are all into the first year of a medical college. It was just like a city hall. And that's how by accident I entered in medicine, Sejal.
So, madam, after being into the medicine, how, when, and how that obstetric and gynecologist clicked you?
Again, that's an accident. You know, a problem was I was first in ophthalmology, ENT, second in surgery, gynecology, and the only problem is I can't do PR exams. So I can't check those hydrocele and hernias. And Rajesh was going to take a surgery, so I kept surgery off. Optal, I felt only one organ, and when in 1986, there was no anterior compartment, there was no posterior compartment. 80% of the patients were conjunctivitis and glaucoma. And my very close friend, who is an ophthalmologist now in Sholapur, Dr. Adke, he was saying, Dr. Karwa, I was Karwa that time, please don't take ophthalm. I love ophthalm. I said, hey, इतू सा organ में and patient के मुंह को मुंह लगा के देखना पड़ता है. I will never take it. And that's why I did not. ENT, I never like to peep inside the throat of any other person. And that's why I did not check. So Gynac became a little easy option for me. But during our time, 6 months houseman post, which we do 2 house posts. One you can take in a allied. So my anesthesia head was so fond of me. She wanted me to do MD anesthesia. So I did 6 months in anesthesia and 6 months in gynecology. In anesthesia, I got bored in 1 month. They in that time there was spinal, there were no pulse oximeters and all. Whole time the houseman sits and take a pulse and every 5 minutes BP. I said head end को बैठ के यही जिंदगी भर मैं कर नहीं सकती हूँ. I told my HODs, Dr. Iyer, I'm very sorry madam, our love will continue, but patient के side बैठ के उसका pulse BP देखना is not what I will enjoy. I need surgical field. And that's how I entered in OBGYN. Again, I think sometimes, that is why you should be open to the universal power, the spiritual power. My Gagangiri Maharaj, you decide, I will walk the path. And that's what happened with me. I just walked the path. Probably he created for me. So automatically the things were falling at right time, right places.
Wow, ma'am. So, just asking
You
out
may not know these stories, but very funny how I entered in OBGYN only because I wanted cutting work.
surgical branch here. So, ma'am, like you and sir, how, like, I just want to ask whether there were three fathers of proposed groom sitting and asking for your hand, like three principals of the college waiting for you for.
Rajesh also came like 11. See, in our time now, it was 81 is my admission batch. So 79 was my 11th standard when I met Rajesh. That too, the students of 100 students in the class, no one can notice, but Rajesh stood for a class, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, class monitor. So CR competition, he went for an election and he won the election, and there was a big party in a canteen. We had one very beautiful girl in our class, Dr. Now she's not medical, she's Rajvi. Everyone just, fall for her. She was so beautiful. And she went to Dr. Rajesh to give him some mithai. And Rajesh said, please give on a plate. I'll take it. In our 79, we were not so close talking with boys and making it all fun. I was only girls' school and he was only boys' school. I like that nature of the candidate who is with the discipline, with politeness, saying, आप इधर दे दो मैं ले लूंगा. Means all boys would have loved to take it. So I realized this person has a little character. And the principal, when he came in the class, I was very tiny, I was 35 kg, Sejal. When he came, unidentified person, he came in the class, he asked those above 80%, please get up. The whole class got up. Above 82%, please get up. ऐसे करते करते, the last only I was standing, the only girl in the class. And that's where Rajesh noticed me. And that's how we came, we just developed mutual respect with each other. And we entered, but he had taken a maths also. So I was not knowing he's going to engineering or Medicine, I was thinking if it is supposed to be, he knew I like him. I knew he likes me, but we never used to talk with each other. If I destined to be together, we will be. And he, first day of a medical college, I saw him in the class and I was so super excited. That's how we are together. We never exchange I love you and all. It was a love at first sight, but it grew over it or blossom over years together.
So this leadership quality was actually before you, the sir has this experience into the school age time, and sir
11th
same,
standard.
I can say the same genuine, polite, and
He's
soft
same. He's
humor
same.
is same.
He's
So,
same.
madam, being in Marwadi family with us, this 30 years back, down the line. So, where you have faced any social, any hurdle
Now
when
45 years, darling. All 45 years, not 30 years. I never felt that is a very important thing, Raja. My father was not ready. He was highly educated and big shot businessman of Sholapur, and it was impossible that he will agree to marry. And I left it to Gagangiri Maharaj. The day will come when Maharaj will do it. And frankly, that's a very big story beyond this podcast. It is Gagangiri Maharaj who just asked me, are you sure you want to marry that guy? I was so surprised and shocked. It was like second year of my MD. And I said, of course, because मेरे घर में जो महाराज बोलते थे वो होता है. He said, send your father. And my father went, she told she has to marry that girl. So my father came, he says, it's not going to be easy journey. Let him be a gold medalist in his MS surgery, and then I will see. Believe me, Sejal, I used to do more love belly reading. Even today, I know the footprints, all the footnotes, love belly, Murphy's sign, gallbladder tenderness, everything. Because more than OBGYN, I used to read his love belly. That's why when your hospital is belly, I first thought is love belly. ये कहाँ से आ गई बच्ची? इसने कब पढ़ाई की love belly की? So this is how it was. And then again, all my intuitions, his palmar spaces and everything. All the boys, 10 boys were there in surgery. There were many seats. So I told them कि palmar spaces करो. So all together they said, oh, palmar spaces last year आ गया, नहीं आने वाला. I went and told Rajesh को in his whole night, today you read palmar spaces, it will come tomorrow. Same happened with heart ka, all the chambers and all question. They said, no, last year आया, हम नहीं करने वाले, 4 papers रहते थे. I told him, please you do it. It is going to come. And all his theory, his practical, he just stood. And my father that time accepted.
so
It was hard.
after
Ours is the first intercaste marriage of city of Sholapur.
you have many first, madam, many secret first also. So, madam, after this, your medical colleges and all that, how did you begin your practice and how you enter into laparoscopy?
Oh, $1 million question. Again, my Gagangiri Maharaj comes. 1989, we passed our MD. And that time, Sejal, our journals used to be, we never had an internet, computer. So library में जो journal रहते थे वो 5-5 साल पुराने रहते थे. And the news, वही journals हम read करते थे, you know. And the news came, Harry Reich has performed first lap surgery. Believe me, I was favorite of my PG teacher, Dr. Munod. Today also, we all laugh at it. And she used to give me so much cutting. In Sholapur Medical College, there is a huge work, and we had only 2 units. So one day is an emergency, having 40-50 deliveries, out of which 10-12 Caesar, remaining normal deliveries. And next day is, and those emergency day, your admissions full. And next day, we used to have a OT list from morning to evening, like 4-5 abdominal, 4-5 vaginal, and N number. So by end, today when I ask the student how many surgeries you did, MD ko interview, they count 20, 22. I used to think In my year, it is hundreds, in hundreds. We can't even count because alternate day hysterectomies and alternate day normal deliveries and cesarean for 3 years. So I was thinking कि fantastic, मैं तो आंखें बंद करके भी vaginal we used to challenge 16 weeks, कौन करेगा? And then we used to do non-descent vaginal. It was fantastic exposure of vaginal hysterectomy during residencies only. And Harry Reich does 1989 news when came, we were shocked. I was shocked. Oh my God, I was thinking I'm a master of OB/GYN now, and I don't even know laparoscopic hysterectomy हो सकती है. The only thing we used to do is single puncture से वो clips लगाना या फिर just to see the tubal patency in infertility, no surgery. Whereas needle used to be our second hand if at all needed.
Hmm.
And when someone says that, I was shocked. Now, Rajesh was supposed to do the MCH in plastic surgery and he got it. So he was moving after his MS to Mumbai to do the plastic surgery mein MCH. And my father, because he is going, and when this all came, I thought, let me also go to Mumbai to learn endoscopy. There was no one in Mumbai who was doing endoscopy. I joined Jaslok Hospital because I heard Dr. Geeta Pandey is doing there, and I realized they are not doing the extensive what used to be. I think Prashant and Prakash, they were also outside India learning laparoscopy in 1991. So I was in Jaslok Hospital and my uncle was a medical director.
Hmm.
That time when Rajesh was about to start, my father flew down to uh, Mumbai and he said, listen, he showed us the week. The week used to be a magazine weekly coming. He opened up and showed the future of endoscopy. One article had come. He said Sunita is developing an interest. She don't know where to go yet. But Dr. Rajesh, don't do plastic surgery. In plastic surgery, to prove your skill and people start coming to you as a cosmetic surgeon, will take your 10 years of a waiting period to show your skill. You need to grow there. You are among the competition. You should go endoscopy. Endoscopy is the future. Believe me, Sejal, it is my father who showed us the article in the week. And my uncle was a medical director at Jaslok Hospital, Dr. Bhandari, that time, Masika Beta, for my father. He is no more there. And he said, Sunita, no one is doing here. We have a machineries. I give you a consultant post, junior consultant post. You and Rajesh, please join. And Rajesh was doing gastro, colonoscopy, ERCP's banding because Dr. Nande's student. He moved to Dr. Srikhande and became a student of Dr. Nande. Dr. Nande treats him even today like a younger brother. And Dr. Nande does GI endoscopy, which physician does, and laparoscopies, which surgeons does. So Rajesh is still the only one in Pune doing both ERCPs as well as this. But when he told my uncle, we went to Gagangiri Maharaj to Khopoli to take his blessing, कि we are settling in Mumbai at Jaslo. My Maharaj just looked at me and said, we are not settling in Mumbai. I said, then where am I going? He said, you are going to Pune. I said, Pune? मैंने तो कभी ये city में गई नहीं हूँ. I don't know the roads. I don't know anything about Pune. I don't know people. I don't know doctors. He said, I am with you. I came and told my uncle, I'm going to Pune. He said, are you crazy? Do you know how to settle? He was a FRCS surgeon. He said, you are not doing that. I'm giving you a golden opportunity. Go abroad. I said, listen, you know my today. My Gagangiri Maharaj knows my tomorrow. He asked me to go to Pune. I'm going. And that's how I came. We at young age probably are fearless. Second thing is huge faith on Gagangiri Maharaj. When he says, I am with you, Sejal, everyone knows I came with 1,000 rupees in my pocket. And the story started. I don't want to look back, but it was a beautiful, a story of ethics, honesty, hard work, dedication, and just one thing, whatever it is, I need to be the best. I need to be achiever. That was my nature from the beginning. In school, I need to be first always in the class. I was very competitive. I don't know why. Today, I feel क्या फर्क पड़ता था फिफ्थ स्टैंडर्ड में मैं फर्स्ट आई या टेंथ आई बट दैट वाज माय नेचर टू बी कॉम्पिटिटिव एंड नेचर टू बी very very ethical. My Gagangiri Maharaj is watching me, and any patient comes to me, one thing very clear: I will treat her like my family. If she doesn't need a surgery, I will not do the surgery. Looking back at 30 years, 35 years of your practice, you should feel proud. And most important, my whole life now, I want to be on first page of Gagangiri Maharaj. That's it. It doesn't matter. He tells me, you retire, leave everything. I will say, Jal, leave everything. Everyone knows.
So, ma'am, you are being a science student, so competitive, ambitious, achiever. Then how come this spirituality enter in your life?
That also by accident. My family was visiting Gagangiri Maharaj, and I never understood what is Hatha Yogi. I can never imagine the undigested food the Hatha Yogi can be. That's a type of a yoga. They can take out the intestine, wash, and put it back. I used to think it's a rectal prolapse. So I never could believe that all. And my father used to go and tell my entire this Marwadi big family, my Dadaji ki family means kaka of my father, वो फैमिली सब गगनगिरी महाराज के पास गट्टे में 40-50 लोग एक साथ जाते थे. It was like a festival. And I was only one who never used to go because I felt, ये क्या है? I don't believe all that. And my father used to tell Gagangiri Maharaj, Sunita आती नहीं है महाराज, क्या करे? So my Maharaj just laughed at him, leave him, leave her. She will be the closest of you all to me. Sejal, so many. You can read my Gagangiri Maharaj का चरित्र, जिसमें मेरे 40 pages हैं. So much of a incidences happened in my life that I automatically became his follower. Automatically, the way things happened in my life, you can't imagine, you can't believe. That will be a big stories to talk some other time. That is what I want to write a book on. My journey with Gagangiri Maharaj. And the highest was as I said, we had 2 units. The other unit was professor unit and mine was honorary unit. The professor, Dr. Solapurkar, was our dean, and Dr. Manjula Pishwikar from Kolhapur. She was a houseman there, and myself was in houseman in honorary, where in first 3 months of our house post, we got a vaginal hysterectomy to do. So she told her बॉस दैट वो उधर के हाउसमैन पूरे सर्जरी हिस्टेक्टोमी कर रहे हैं, यहाँ मुझे इपिजोटोमी भी सिखाते नहीं है, देते नहीं है. मैं सिर्फ स्कैल्पेल्स एंड आईवी सेट ही जमा करती हूँ. सो दैट प्रोफेसर सेड आई विल सी हाउ शी गेट्स इट, एंड शी कैंसल्ड माय सीट. आई वाज cancelled. I don't wanted MD anesthesia, and after 2 house post it becomes, and she cancelled. And I was so shocked. Whole hospital, all teachers, everyone, and all my colleagues and seniors, we had a MARD. This MARD said we go on a strike. The other said you go in a court. And I said, okay, let me go and take a blessing of my Gagangiri Maharaj, because my father said nothing doing, you have to follow him. And I went to Gagangiri Maharaj. But before that, Bhai Sawant was the health minister, and he was Gagangiri Maharaj ka bhakta. We went to his place because of all bhaktas, they are close with each other. He entertained me. He gave us secretary of his with me to Vaishampayan Medical College, to Dean's office. I went टक टक टक, मैं हेल्थ मिनिस्टर का लेटर लेके आई हूँ. शी टुक दैट लेटर, शी टॉर्न इट एंड थ्रोन इन अ डस्टबिन. नहीं देती जा.
Oh
Oh
my.
my goodness. Then I had no choice than to go to Gagangiri Maharaj himself. So when I told him, Bhai Sawant ne letter diya tha, but she did not take, he said, he just looked at me and he said, he won't do anything. I felt so bad that he is working so hard for Gagangiri Maharaj, that in his that Varsha bungalow there was one, I don't know the name of the bungalow, but that bungalow was next to that chief minister's bungalow. There was special room for Gagangiri Maharaj ke bhakta, and Maharaj is saying me he will not be able to do anything, but I did not say anything because Maharaj always use few word. He told me take DGO. Sejal, I came back. When I asked him, court mein jana hai, I can get my seat back because it is there. He said, we are not going to the court. I thought he doesn't understand what is DGO and what is MD. I'm getting MDs and I'm scholar and I'm getting in surgery, I'm getting optan and I'm leaving everything and I don't want to do anesthesia. I know 100%. He's telling me to take a diploma, but you won't believe I took a diploma. I took a DGO. And in DGO, 2 months two house post already done. All these झगड़े में already 3 महीने गए हैं. And in another 4 months my exam, मैंने तो कभी Holland and Bruce open भी नहीं किया था. मर मर के काम करते हैं सिर्फ. Whatever the seniors are presenting in seminars and symposiums, only that much I had heard. And my teacher told me, study 24/7 now in library. I'm giving you off. Who is she to tell me what I'm supposed to do in my unit with my student? And she was supposed to get the extension. I was studying in library. The secretary of a dean came to call me. I said, why is she calling me now? I'm not working in the ward. I have not done any mishap. No deaths have happened with me. Tell her I'm not coming. I was arrogant. अभी क्या कर सकती है मेरा, वो बिगाड़ सकती है. DGO तो लेने लगाया. She said, no, she did not got the extension. I said, who is dean then? Said, Dr. Agarwal. I said, अच्छा, मैं तो उनको पहचानती भी नहीं हूँ. मेरा उनका क्या संबंध है? बोले तुझे बुलाया है उन्होंने. He came only for 1 month because this dean did not got extension and new dean did not come by the government. So Dr. Agarwal, he came there from DJ Pune and he called me and he said, you did not got your MD deserve seat? I said, yes, sir. But that was last, now gone. He said, I'm giving you that seat. I said, are you sure? Because last students also mere 6 months pehle, they all will be competing now for the seat. He said, no, I'm giving you your back seat. He gave me my seat and I got my MD back and we all ran and all when I came from Gagangiri Maharaj, हमारा जो मार्ट का मीन्स हमारे कॉलेज का इंचार्ज मार्ट का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ही डॉक्टर व्यालके ही इज ऑर्थोपेडिक इन कोल्हापुर he told me, are you sure you want to do that? Let's go in a court. I said, my Maharaj said, no court, no fighting. To take a DGO, he said, do you think sadhu ke us pe tu tera career kar rahi hai? I said, he knows my tomorrow. I don't know my tomorrow. I'm not going in court. I'm taking diploma. Sejal, I got my MD. I went running to the hospital in the department. I got MD. Most important thing was no study back to the operation theater. That was the biggest thing he did it. And Bhai Sawant expired that in those 2-3 months. And then I realized why he's saying Bhai Sawant won't be able to do anything. You can't ask more. He just looks at you if you ask too much. That's how my journey is. And my faith on Gagangiri Maharaj is mountain rockstone. And then you were with me in 1 year. You know, saw my all the messages, intuitions I get in, the way he saves me in surgery. People say those who operate, those who don't do, say, I don't have complication, don't operate enough. And you know, I'm consistently highest operating surgeon of Ruby Hall. Even now, if you do IVF endo plus my major gynae endo and obstetric, I'm the highest operating even today for last 30 years consistently. But he doesn't allow it to happen.
So thrilled, madam, to listen the entire. So it's like a filmy story. You can make a film.
No, there are many more after that. How Rajesh came in my life. Oh, so many things. Every moment, every moment. Sejal, I wanted to start my own hospital when I came to Pune. We were taking a loan. We saw the place. Endoscopy, bhavya unit मांगना था मैं and Rajesh ka because endoscopy was never heard in Pune. Everything was open vaginal. I was the one who started here. And we went to Maharaj with the plan. He just looked at and he said, Apna hospital nahi karna hai. He used to speak Marathi. His Marathi was very different Marathi. आपलं नाही करायचं. I said, आपलं नाही करायचं. मग कुणाचं? I did not, he never used to answer. And all bhaktas used to say me, Datta 500 rupees square foot and 1000 rupees square foot mein jagah thi, prime areas in Bibewadis and Sarkar Nagars where we saw all. And one fine day, every 1 month I used to go. One fine day, I threatened him. I was like a child for him. So close we became. I said, महाराज मैं एक बताती हूँ अब भी हॉस्पिटल नहीं बांधने दिया ना तो उम्र के 50 में मैं नहीं बांधने वाली हूँ. Then don't tell me कि go and make your hospital. Either now or never. He just looked at me. एक म्हातारा माणूस येईल तुला पूर्ण करल तुझं हॉस्पिटल बांधल. I said मेरे दादाजी and नानाजी ऊपर गए हैं कौन म्हातारा माणूस आएगा. I used to, he just looks at you. And Dr. Grant called me, and that was the old man. Precisely, my IVF endo is 1 crore budget hospital department, and I just remain there. He just doesn't say. When I was saying him, he one fine day he asked me, "Why do you want your own hospital? तुझं hospital कशाला करायचं?" I said, "महाराज, पुण्यात रुबी हॉस्पिटल आहे ना, Dr. Grant. The name, fame, money, everything come only when it is your own institute. How Dr. Grant has a name in Pune. So I want my hospital for name, fame, and money." He said, I will give you everything. You don't need a hospital for that. Sejal, till today, I don't forget those words. But this is practice. He saved my life. I don't know whether you can see my lifeline is broken here. Can you see that? There is no continuation. This is a second lifeline.
Oh, ma'am. I don't know
Yeah,
how.
this is one lifeline and this is second. Anyone will take a fingerprint. I don't want to show again scrap chop. Scrap, scrap, scrap. But that time he took me 15 days to Dajipur, where he did 14 years in this, which I was not aware. He just called me. You are coming with me. I said, कहाँ? उसने कुछ आंसर नहीं दिया. So I'm supposed to just take. I said, महाराज 2 दिन 4 दिन कितने दिन के कपड़े भरू? काय बनायचे ते भर. Rajesh came and gave me another set of clothes because I went with 2 days and I stayed for 15 days. Sejal, I had a very bad knee injury. While coming, I gave a call to Rajesh. I have a fracture. Immediately take me to Pune hospital only. I got down from a car at Pune when I came back. I started walking and there was no pain. I said, अरे इतना bad pain combi from 400 TDS 200 तो काम ही नहीं कर रही थी for 4 days. And then after 3-4 days, Maharaj for some other program came to Pune. One of Maharaj's ka close bhakta was sitting. He's a Pamis. So I said, मेरा हाथ देखो ना. I love kundlis and all because of my father. I have that passion. But I need a dedicated person. I believe in kundli. So he saw, he said, Sunita, how are you? I said, what happened? He said, this year is very dangerous for you. I said, what happened? He said, I don't want, just Japun Raha. And then he came to know that Maharaj took me for 15 days and all. He said, you know what? Why he took you? There was end for you. He took you for what? Maharaj will never waste your single second, Sejal. In Dajipur, there was no electricity, no water, no newspaper, no connection. I was in a forest. I lived 15 days beautifully over there. And वो फॉरेस्ट में के वो आदिवासी लोगों को चेकिंग करती थी. 11 बजे मेरा टेबल कुर्सी, सब लोग आओ. Because there was no work for me. Till 4 o'clock, I was doing all seva for Adivasi people. Anyone who comes to visit Maharaj, I used to take a newspaper from their car because I was not knowing what is happening outside world.
Mhm.
That's a long story.
When there was no phone calls or mobile, no nothing.
Nothing. Believe me, my 2 patients of infertility conceived. When I came back, I told Rajesh, kya hua? Of course, I never had so many patients. 3, 4 patients were going on. And he said, तेरे 2 patient positive आए हैं. I said, are you sure? He said, yeah. I said, wonderful. That's how the life is.
And how this Foxy attracted you, madam? You were practitioner having the good
No,
practice.
but I have, my father was, probably those genes have come from my father. He was a leader. Everyone used to come to take his opinion. He was master of all. Economics. He used to respect Manmohan Singh only because he is from Economy School of London. Everything, he was well read. Any topic you speak, whether it is a politics, whether it is finances, whether it is a science, he was very well read and he used to be a master. So probably that genes were there in me. And frankly speaking, Dr. Prakash Trivedi was an infertility committee chairperson, and I was a member of his committee. And I had traveled few places with his. And that's how I wanted to take infertility committee from him. But Manish Banker wanted to take, he has given, that time it used to be for 5 years. Manish Banker ke time se wo 3 years hui. And then I took over in 2011, and it just automatically, I never thought of presidency, impossible. After chairperson, bas, mujhe nahi karna hai. One fine day in Bombay, in one of the fame conference or something, Sonia Malik and me were taking a dinner plate together. She said, Sunita, congratulations. I said, what? She said, you are standing for VP. I said, are you crazy? I am not the VP candidate. मीन्स वो मेरे जिन में भी नहीं है, मुझे कोई फॉक्सी का अंदर ऊपर लैडर नहीं चलना है. Endoscopy and ART is my friend. I want to become a president of these two organizations. Because, Sejal, you have a lot of things in your mind, but you can't implement them for a society unless you have a chair, you have a position. Today, Foxy presidency, I think even on 13th, I'm with the government for a meeting. The national board at 11 o'clock, I'm changing my flights. I got a mail now. They want to have a discussion. The mails come. You are helping in a policy decision. Maternal health and immunization commissioner, Dr. Pawan Kumar, he promised me before your air, दो टीके जिंदगी के project. I told him, sir, एक टीके जिंदगी के करो. India and China is not doing. It's a high time because then the acceptance will go. It will be easy. When it is two, even the charity people are not able to do it. Follow up नहीं होता है babies का, क्या फायदा एक देके. आप एक dose तो करो, you just see. And he promised me it will happen. So you can sit, preconception care. He's speaking now in his. This happens only when you are in power. But that VP, when I asked her, who is telling you? She gave me 2 names, you will be surprised. It was Shanta Kumari and Vinit Mishra. I left the plate. I went to fight with Shanta Kumari. I said, Shanta, do you even know what is VP? Why are you declaring? She said, as usual, hey, chup bait, tujhe kuch samajhta nahi, you are going. And Vinit said, I will do your election strategy. Believe me, Sejal, Vinit did all from SMSs to phone calls to everything. And the students, his 2 fellows, he made them work for me. And you know the name of these 2 fellows? One is from Udaipur, who is a secretary now, Pradeep.
Oh.
Pradeep is the president. Prakash is a president, Pradeep. Pradeep Banwal He was one of that fellow, and other fellow was Priyankur. When they met me, they said, "Ma'am, we know you, everything of you. We met you for the first time." I said, "How come?" He said, "We were the fellows who were working for you 2 months. Vinich Mishra, he did." And people said, "You can't go for two election, IIG treasurer and Foxy VP. Go one after the other." I said, "मुझे election मेरे cup of tea नहीं है. My practice, I love it. जो होगा सो होगा, मैं दोनों को एक साथ में एक इसमें निपटाऊंगी." मैं मंथ आई फिनिश्ड माय आईआईजी एंड September I finished my VP. I did not bother. But 2015, the same election year, my mom fell sick in August and I started stem cell in December. I left the elections. जो होगा सो होगा. And it is Vinit Mishra. I became a VP, and that's where I could take over as a president. Because if you become a VP now, then it is of no use if you don't want to become a president. That's how it all story.
So, ma'am, your very demanding professional life with equal compassion towards family, and the Foxy, your presidency, the most busiest year, and day and night you have been working. So, how do you balance this?
That is where you need a very loving, caring, and supporting family. Rajesh, the biggest supporter, he don't want to work in organization. He loves to be with the family members, with the family functions, everything. With his practice, he don't like. But he loves the way I work. I do multitasking. And Rishi and Lekha are the diamonds who have come in my life. They both are. Lekha, more than Rushi. Rushi doesn't like my organization life. He says, "Mom, finish it off. Enough. You have so much to do in your Alive, the regenerative medicine. You wish to grow with me, with my company." But Lekha, she's my lovely darling. She loves, respect my organizational positions.
So, ma'am, quick rapid fire few questions to end with this podcast. Very exciting and very, motivating. One word that defines leadership as per you.
Never entering in a comfort zone.
Wow. Okay. And the quality that you would like to see in young upcoming gynecologist. One.
Never go in a comfort zone. The day you feel you are very comfortable, your progress has stopped. I am all the time restless. Because I'm restless, I don't see. Everyone loves sleep. Who doesn't love nicely mast 0 degree temperature में कंबल लेके सोना? But I don't have a time to sleep more than 3-4 hours. So I take these all therapies. I believe in them. I always feel, pioneers, they don't retire. They keep upgrading and remain on the frontiers. So I tell all youngsters, don't settle for small. Never, never. If any 1-2 days also Rishi Lekha relaxing, I say, how can you relax? Your age is not to relax. Their lifestyle is so different. They said, "Mom, chill." They have a different lifestyle. Staycations. I don't have those staycations. But I feel never enter in a comfort zone and remain very, very, very resilient. Remember one thing, the pioneer is not who has done first. You can be still a pioneer. The one who stopped adopting. So you never stop adopting, you are pioneer. So I think I changed the word. The real pioneer is the one who never stop adopting. 3D आया तुम ले, robotic आया तुम लो, focus one, now robotic, our XI आया तुम लो. That is where institution, सेजल, प्राइवेट प्रैक्टिस में, नर्सिंग होम में अटक जाती एडमिन करते करते. रोबोटिक वुड हैव बीन जस्ट माय ड्रीम. इतने करोड़ कहाँ से निकालू, कहाँ से डालू, who donor I will get. Ruby all gets it easily, everything. You have to just ask it. So I will tell all youngsters, remain restless.
And so it is like every day's fire, you have to keep it like fueling.
Discipline, yaar. Discipline, Sejal, you worked with me. 7 o'clock अभी भी ओटी चालू होना है, 6:45 को पेशेंट लेना है, तो बेल बजती है तो मुझे मालूम है 6:45 हुआ, फोन बजा, 6:45, टेक द पेशेंट इन. Even today, that is the way we work. I think discipline is nothing but the success. Again, I'm putting a wrong word. Success is nothing but the discipline observed every day. It is written in a bold line in our department, and everyone is supposed to read it every day.
So one question, that what would you think that is your biggest strength and the biggest weakness?
My biggest strength is my Gagangiri Maharaj. My weakness is my family.
Madam,
Yeah.
share your strength.
No, I am so emotional. उनको टुक भी हुआ ना, my family, I can leave again everything for them. They are my weakness. Otherwise, I don't have weakness. I don't have. I'm a very strong lady. I don't have. But giving is living. You know what, Sejal? Before we end now, आई बिलीव कि आपको ये जन्म मिला है ना, इतना देते हो, इतनी दुआ लेते हो. यू एंटर्ड इन आईवीएफ आफ्टर 5 years बैंगिंग योर हेड. Enter. Every endoscopic surgeon should be entering in IVF because you have so many cases. It's a dream. कॉक्स एब्डोमेन क्या करोगी, अजूस्पर्मिया क्या करोगी. You need to give a pregnancy only through the ART for these patients. So what is very important is what we were talking, I forget also.
Yeah, weakness and your strength.
No.
Being a very strong.
No, karma. So I feel, you know what, Sejal, now over years, there are countless babies. On 8 January last year, we were this time, we were in Ganpati Mandir, Siddhivinayak, taking the blessings for taking over. We are every day receive so much of a blessings, dua, because we are doers. This life God has gifted. I don't like to waste a single minute on a wasteful thing. What disco, bisco. Not this life. I have no. I better do something good for the others during that. Because Gagangiri Maharaj ने मुझे ये journey में डाला है. And I'm doing, probably I was supposed to do it otherwise also for so many people because they have done for me in their previous life. I may be the receiver end, or next life I may be a receiver end. I believe my soul, what path my soul will take next time, it may not be in a giving position. There may be suffering, but I tell Gagangiri Maharaj, अभी इससे ऊपर ऊपर ही जाना है हमें. I know I am not reached to the mukti stage, but मुझे next line भी आपके साथ ही चाहिए. I need to have my Gagangiri Maharaj every life in my life.
So last question, and to wind up this podcast, if not a doctor, what you would have been?
No one.
मैं-
मैंने प्रोफेशन ही नहीं देखा था. बट माई क्रिएटिविटी में बी डिजाइनिंग द इंस्ट्रूमेंट. सेजल, ये वेजाइनल मैनिपुलेटर्स 94 में व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड, दे वेर नो. राजेश एंड मी हैव गॉन ऑन अ लेथ, रॉड को बेंड करके सिरेशंस लेके बनाया. आज भी मैं वो यूज करती हूँ. क्रिएटिविटी. माई ज्वेलरीज, एनी टाइम यू सी इन माई हैंड, इट इज क्रिएटिविटी. माई ड्रेसेस, क्रिएटिविटी. सो क्रिएटिव, कोई तो भी क्रिएटिव बिजनेस में मैं रहती. That is for sure. Creativity is my everything.
Creating babies, creating new leaders, creating new and efficient gynecologists, endoscopic surgeons, and
Creation is the beautiful thing which we do. So probably I would have been in creative things.
thank you so much, madam. It is really, I have a goosebumps to listen to entire your journey, and this is probably the most precious time for me, and this entire so many years, one to one, heart to heart with you.
I
We
know, Sejal. Even when you remember, Sejal, your entry was also Bhavna, who was my first reproductive medicine fellow. And she was so connected with me. Now, I don't know this girl, why she's most talented girl I have ever seen. And भावना के पीछे दो जो आए थे बच्चे, रिप्रोडक्टिव मेडिसिन फेलोज, one was Vinay, one was Parag, both male. Momedian don't allow their TVS. And she always was saying on Saturday, मैडम मैं कल जा रही हूँ, आप पे कितना लोड पड़ेगा? Sejal, you know our OPDs used to be of 100 patient every day, 15 20 minimum. All small cases, cystoscopies वगैरह पकड़ के we used to do so much. शी यूज टू से ओनली वन थिंग कि मैडम ये सब सोनोग्राफी आप कैसा करोगे? एक फीमेल चाहिए थी, अभी कैसे होगा? आई सेड यू लीव यार, इट इज गगनगिरी महाराज हु विल थिंक. And you called the same night, and I just asked, can you come tomorrow, because I wanted you both to have a overlap at least a few minutes. She was flying, I think, in the afternoon, Shreya, and you came. And there was not a single day when I did not have a female. Even now. So this is very important. We should not be asking God to work and then we take a stress. If you take a stress, you have built up a big negativity around you. The race cannot enter in. So when you leave it to God, most important thing is you forget the problem. The problem will be automatically solved. एंड देन यू रियलाइज, ओ माय गॉड, ये मुझे प्रॉब्लम था और वो सॉल्व भी हो गया, मैंने सोचा भी नहीं उसके बाद. सो एवरी नाइट इज अ ग्रेटिट्यूड एंड एवरी मॉर्निंग इज आस्किंग. दिस इज माय लाइफ साइकिल विद माय महाराज.
So it is all your 100% faith that is in
1000%.
the same faith what we have in you, ma'am, for
Angel,
shaping our
I am
life,
human.
guiding
Again,
us.
to you and to Pooja and to Ashwini, I need to tell you one thing. Never ever say that आपको गगनगिरी महाराज जैसे वैसे आप. मैं बहुत छोटी हूँ बेटा. गगनगिरी महाराज is huge. It's a phenomenon. Gagangiri Maharaj is. And there is no word for it. You just see, looking back, 2015, how can I enter in a stem cell? A gynecologist can never have so much knowledge, yaar. It is just to save my mom. कुछ भी नहीं. ही डजेंट अलाउ यू पैरेलल थिंकिंग. आप फोकस हो जाते हो, मुझे स्टेम सेल करना ही है, मेरे माँ को बचाना है. यू सॉ बाई लिव्ड 6 years without dialysis, insulin off, miracles happening in life, and then Rishi coming in, entering into regenerative. Today when I sit back and when I listen to Rishi, his all dreams, his where he wants to take a alive, I think my God, तब तो गगनगिरी महाराज. मैं सोच रही थी कि सिर्फ बाई को बचाने के लिए मैंने स्टेम सेल किया, मुझे कुछ आगे इसमें करना नहीं. इनफर्टिलिटी में जो होता है उतना करती हूँ, बाकी मुझे जो पेशेंट बोलते हैं मेरा डायबिटीज करके दो, मैं करती हूँ. Otherwise, I don't go to sit with diabetologist, and never in last 8 years I told anyone because I don't have time. It is Ruchi who entered in it, and I see, oh my God, so that was a plan of Maharaj. And
Correct,
that's how
ma'am.
all it happened. Today, I think if today would have been a situation, I don't think I would have entered in stem cell as a de novo. No. So you never know what are his plans for you.
And each time you had faced a temporary setback for the some better good for the later.
Are wo Baku also. I feel Gagangiri Maharaj would have protected me. So if that has happened, is it the lesson learned? Because I believe everyone who comes in front of me, अच्छा आप ये करते हो कर लो. You know, that is my attitude. And that is a lesson I want to keep always, you know, think before you believe in. But for that, it would have been a very big lesson. So maybe in coming years, I will know why that incidents happen. There has to be some reason, some learning out of that. So when I tell Baku openly, people say, oh my God, you are talking Baku. I said, I say openly because I know I'm very honest. So why that incidents happen? There has to be some reason. Otherwise, Gagangiri Maharaj will protect me from anyhow. It's like a dream come true.
That is what we admire, madam, positivity in any situation. You never lose this positivity, that everything, and that is what we, that force that.
Bigger purpose is always there.
Thank you so much, madam, for your valuable time. And sorry,
अभी
I'm
मेरे
running
साथ रात
away.
को बैठ के तुझे
Yes, ma'am.
पूछना नहीं है.
I was carried away with the conversation and couldn't even notice the time.
It's
And
over. Thank you. Enjoyed this journey again with you, and see you in
next week.
COG next week. Ensure that you will work 24/7 till 15th evening.
Yes,
उसके बाद तो I just want to relax and enjoy my life till I take over as a ISAR president.
not more than 2 months, ma'am.
1 month, 1 month. But ISAR, I have planned out everything. It's done last year.
Thank you. Thank you so much for this entire year, ma'am. You have been blessed us with so much of opportunities. Thank you, Evangel team, for your technical support for entire.
Evangel, thank you. You were amazing, amazing, and amazing. Fantastic.
And this is going to be there forever. Thank you.
3 महीना पलानी को डेट नहीं दे पा रही हूँ. He want to take interview as a Foxy leader. It is going to be released on 14th evening. I'm not able to give him a time. We will.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Good night. Thank you. Recording.
Yes, ma'am, we are offline.
थैंक यू. आपका एक चेहरा तो दिखा दो. कौन है आप? एवेंजल टीम. हमेशा यही देखा है आपका लोगो.
Thank you, ma'am.
अरे हेलो. कभी मिलेंगे सामने तो पहचानेंगे भी नहीं. पूरा साल साथ में काम किया.
Yes, ma'am.
एंड कभी कभी मिले ही नहीं. ऐसा हुआ. So wonderful, and we'll keep
Thanks a lot, ma'am.
yeah, we'll keep involving